Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to activate your Boost mobile eSIM. Really easy and simple guys. So first things first, on your phone you want to go to the settings menu and then go to network and internet, okay? And just tap on the plus button next to SIMs. And then they will ask you download a SIM instead. So if they don't, go ahead and detect a physical SIM, they'll ask you this question, whether you want to download a SIM instead. Just go ahead and click this option, and then you want to click on next on download your SIM. Click on next, and then if you don't see your network listed here, just tap plus. Use a different network. Okay, usually you won't see this for Boost, so you want to just tap on this right here. And then on the scan a QR code from the network screen, you just want to look for need help button on the bottom left and just tap on this. Then what you want to do guys, on the help adding a network, screen lock, you want to look for enter it manually. Click on this option right here, and then what you can do is just enter the SMTP address and the activation code received in your order details. Okay, enter this, just click on continue, and then on sims right here, once it's done downloaded and added, you just want to go ahead and click on boost. Then once this option comes up, you just want to toggle this on, toggle on use sim, and then just select boost. Okay, select boost, and then what you can do, of course, is you can go ahead and activate your mobile data and roaming if you want to activate your SIM card. Really that easy and simple guys. So I hope this video provided value to you, and if it did guys, consider smashing that like button as well as subscribing to frequently asked questions. I'll see you in the next one.